The South American gray fox, Lycalopex griseus, is a highly adaptable wild canid found across Chile, Argentina, and parts of southern Peru. Smaller than wolves but remarkably intelligent, this fox weighs between 2.5 and 4.5 kilograms. It thrives in grasslands, scrublands, forests, and even agricultural areas, often living close to human settlements. An opportunistic omnivore, the gray fox hunts rodents, birds, insects, and reptiles, while also feeding on fruits and carrion. This flexible diet allows it to survive in harsh and changing environments. Mostly nocturnal and solitary, it relies on stealth, sharp hearing, and patience rather than speed. Today, the South American gray fox is not endangered, with stable populations across much of its range. However, habitat loss and hunting continue to threaten local populations. By controlling rodents and cleaning ecosystems, this quiet survivor plays an essential role in maintaining ecological balance.